Genset is finished. We can see the Cummins logo. This is the Cummins. The fuel tank. This is fuel pipe in here into the fuel pump. This is the return of the fuel. How to start? You should first add the fuel first. Outside we can see the add all here, and add the coolant in the top, and add engine oil. They have engine oil ruler here. The hose, add the engine oil here. You can see the genset. This is the Cummins with the sonoprop materials here. We can see the control panel is made in UK. Very nice. How to start the genset? You should switch on the batteries. We can see the battery is finished. We should turn on, like this one, and turn on the key. The genset will be light. How to start? Push here. Now is stop. Stop is red. This one is manual start. We can push here, and this one is in red here. Push here, it will be start. Stop. Push this button, and we can see the parameter. For example, the KW is the power factor, current, frequency, voltage. All have this one. This is the switch of the output. You can connection your cables here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 fast 4 lines here. If no use, you should switch off. Now, the control panel all with English. We can see the voltages, current, frequency, power factor. We can up and down to see the more information. For example, this engine, we can see the speed, the engine oil pressure, and more information. For example, generate, we can see the line, and this one, and frequency. More information, so we can see left and right to choose. Very nice.